Okay, this video will take you to the Region 18 website. I'm just going to do a Google search, and once we get to Region 18, we will allow us to go to the Canvas LMS, Learning Management System. I'm going to have to pick an account. Your logon may look a little different. You may have to type in your Region 18 email. Make sure you use your Region 18 email for this. I'm going to enter my password. Depending on who you are, your dashboard is going to look different. If you are a mentor or an eSlime student, this is probably the only thing that you'll see. Old Lime students will have all of their courses listed. So click on your dashboard if it isn't the default, and go ahead and click on the Robotics tab. Once you're in here, you'll see there are a number of items to choose from. If you remember, the modules are where we put some information and training material. So that's one place to check. But today we're talking about discussions. Discussions we plan on using to keep communications open between the team. For example, we have a strategy and updates discussion. Ms. DiCarlo has given us a bunch of information regarding possible gameplay from some videos she watched. If you want to read through what she's learned and make a reply, you can do so here. If you go back to discussions again, you'll see that there's a discussions tab for each of the sub-teams, and in some cases there's some posts. So if we go to intake, for example, we can see that Mr. Derry made a post that Andy Mark is out of this particular set of wheels. So if you wanted to reply, you would simply hit the reply button, and you can start typing in a reply, or you can include things like links to URLs, pictures, and so forth if that's part of what your communication is. So in addition to making comments and keeping track of what's going on within the teams, we can also create links and so forth. What our hope is in these discussions we'll be able to keep track of what each sub-team is doing, and the sub-teams will be able to keep track of each other as well. For example, if the chassis is concerned about something that's going on with intake, they can put a post in here, as long as we stay updated with these.